Hazrat Abdullah bin Ka'b bin Malik narrates that he heard his father Hazrat Ka'b bin Malik radiyallahu anhu, when he did not participate in the battle of Tabuk, say, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, since when Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has showed me the right path, the greatest of the favors He has bestowed on me is that I spoke the truth before Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and did not perish by telling a lie as the other people perished by telling a lie. Whereas this was revealed. Now they will swear by Allah before you, when you will return back to them in order that you may not mind of them. Then yes, mind them not. They are wholly filthy and their destination is hell, a recompense what they used to earn. They swear before you that you may be pleased with them, but if you are pleased with them, then no doubt Allah will not be pleased with a people disobedient. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4673.